step into the Cadillac 2016 CTS Sedan 2.0L Turbo Luxury. Don't miss this great deal on a luxury vehicle. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are navigation system, driver awareness package, preferred equipment group 1 SE, seating package, 13 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, Bose Centerpoint surround sound 13 speaker system, radio data system and radio, Cadillac Q Infomedia Cont embedded nav. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.